For today, and today basically you get a lot of questions like what is your most popular flavor, and I do different flavors each week, but I typically do between 4 and 5 flavors. On a busy day I could do 5, on a slow day I could do 4, and even if I had to, if I don't even feel like it, I could do 3. So what I pretty much start off with is always, and as far as what is the most popular, that's about what you want to make it. You can have this dill pickle out there for the whole day and have just sell dill pickle, and that'll be your most popular flavor. But I pretty much have a routine of what I start off with for the day and then sell, because I know for sure number one is always going to be fresh kettle corn. Kettle corn is your number one. Even when it gets to be a bit too busy, when it's slow, I do my flavors, and then when it's busy, I actually just do kettle corn, because when in doubt, you can always people will always buy kettle corn. Then I do the caramel corn, and the caramel corn is with butter and brown sugar, and these are what my medium bags look like. And so with that, I have butter and brown sugar versus a little sugar, a little salt. And I do 1 bag for 8, 2 bags for 15, 3 bags for 20. And then my third most popular, actually this is probably my second most popular bag, is the white cheddar. The white cheddar actually has no sugar on it at all. I do 2 different cheeses, one with sugar and one without sugar, because there's a lot of people who are staying away from sugar now. And then my third favorite today is called a Smokey Cheddar. This is actually called a Smokey Cheddar, and it's actually called a bacon cheddar. And the reason why I call it Smokey is because a lot of people has asked me if there's actually little bacon in it. And actually, if you look at the ingredients list, let me get the ingredients list here. This is actually what it's called here. It's actually a bacon cheddar cheese, and it's by Gold Medal. It's actually a really good popular flavor. But at the ingredients list on the back here, if you see here, there's actually no actual bacon in it. So rather than being asked 400 times a day, is there actual bacon pieces in it, or if there's meat in it, you just say, hey, it's called Smokey Cheddar, and then that raises your question is whether or not there's actual bacon in it. So that's pretty much with that. And then also, as far as earlier, I mentioned the dill, of course, but the dill I didn't do today, and I try to change it up about once a week or two. I do a sriracha lime, I do and then also with the pork rinds too. I have the pork rinds over here. I offer samples of everything that really helps encourage people to buy more sales. I have a plain. I always start off with a plain, and I have a barbecue, and then on the far end over there, I have a third flavor. I usually do 3 flavors of the pork rinds, and I have a sriracha lime. Now with the pork rinds, I sell them for the same price. I sell them for $8 a bag, and if you buy mix and match, you can go 1 to 2 for 15 and 3 for 20. That really encourages people to cross over and buy different things. And then I do my large bags for 12. I actually decided this year to stop doing my small bags because of the amount of time it took to make less money. It just made more sense to get rid of them. So with that, and then also with one size for everything, it just encourages people to just come here, just buy, and then get out and leave. So with that, any further questions, guys, feel free to ask. This is Smitty's Kettle Corn here at the Sunday Columbia Market. Come by and see me if you're in the Maryland area. And thanks a lot, you guys, for following, and thanks for the tips from other kettle corn vendors as well. Have a good week, guys.